Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you the latest 2026 version of how to sign up for Binance in a very easy and simple way. If you register using the link below this video, you'll get a 20% Binance trading fee discount, plus bonus rewards, so make sure to use the link in the description. First, let me explain how to create a Binance account. When you access Binance through the link below the video, you'll be taken to the Binance sign-up page. Here, you can see that a 20% trading fee discount, along with various bonus rewards is available. Please create your account using either an email address or a mobile phone number. Check the box to agree to the terms below. Then click Continue. Next, select the image that matches the word shown on the left. Then, complete the email or mobile phone verification. Next, create a password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, and include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one number. If the inviter code input screen appears, please enter BB222. By entering this code, you'll receive a 20% Binance fee discount, along with bonus rewards. So I highly recommend entering it before completing your registration. Once this step is finished, your account setup is complete. Second, I'll explain how to complete KYC verification. To peer-to-peer, withdraw, and trade on Binance, identity verification is required. Since this process includes facial verification, we'll continue using a mobile phone. Install the Binance app on your phone. Once it's installed, please open the app. Please log in using the account you just created. Then, you'll be taken directly to the identity verification step. Select your nationality. I'll select India. And proceed with the verification process. Select one of the supported identity documents. I'll select passport verification. Tap Take pictures to photograph your passport. Then click Continue. Align the passport information page within the camera frame and take a clear photo. Make sure there is no glare or shadow on the image. Next, let's proceed with facial verification. Please align your face within the camera frame and follow the on-screen instructions to perform a few actions. Now, the identity verification process is complete. After approximately 1 hour of review, you'll see the status change to verified. Third, I'll explain how to set up Google Authenticator. Please return to the PC screen. Click Account in the left menu. Then select Security. We'll set up additional security using the Authenticator app. Click Manage. Then click Enable Authenticator app. Next, please complete the email or mobile phone verification. Then, a QR code pop-up will appear on the screen. Now, install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Open the Google Authenticator app, tap the button in the bottom right corner, and select Scan a QR code. Scan the QR code displayed on the PC screen. A 6-digit Binance code will now appear in the Google Authenticator app. Click Next on the Binance PC screen. Enter the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into the Authenticator app code field. Then, your Google Authenticator setup is complete. Today, I showed you the latest 2026 version of how to sign up for Binance in a very easy way. If you have any questions after watching the video, feel free to leave a comment anytime. If this video helped you, please subscribe and like. Thank you for watching the video until the end.